Rakugo is that influencer's perfect look, just AI makeup. Ladies and gentlemen, one day my apprentice Yotaro comes running in out of breath. Master, big trouble. What is it this time, Yotaro? A cyber attack on Taiwan again. No, it's something even scarier. Influencer AI images. Influencer? Well, masks have certainly become popular these days. Master, that's influenza. Influencers promote makeup and products online. Oh, so a fancy word for a street hawker? Anyway, this influencer posted a photo, a selfie with a bunch of dogs, and it turns out the whole thing was an AI-generated fake image. Another fake? These days, you can make a fake with one click. AI goes suru, and boom, fake image. That's right, people try to look cool and end up editing everything. And you can't tell AI images from real ones anymore. So the influencer added a label. This image was created with AI. And guess what? People completely ignored it. A total suru. Japanese for zip and slew scrolled right past. Did they ignore it because it was edited or because the original photo was awful? But Master, another influencer, the one with a bunch of Dalmatians, posted a photo and honestly wrote, "This image was created with AI. A truthful soul." Then in the comments, that's a relief. A fake should say fake. That's sincerity. I figured it was AI anyway, and so on. Well, refreshing in a way. People complain, but there are tons of photoshopped pictures out there. Then the influencer argued back, I didn't do anything wrong. This is no different from Photoshop. Oh, Photoshop enters the chat. And then comments came pouring in like a digital flood. Photoshop is okay. AI is not. Editing is fine. Over-editing is evil. AI generation isn't honest. A whole tsunami of opinions. And finally, the influencer said, I'm an influencer, so I won't recover from criticism that easily. So, influenza? She added, I only want to influence people, not make them sick in bed. So she does think she has influenza. But it gets worse, Master. There's more? One commenter said, editing is fine, looking cool is fine, but if you lie, ban. Yes, the ban. Some kind of self-appointed guardian of the internet. Right, lots of comment police out there. Master, do you think I can become an influencer? Oh, you can definitely become influenza. What? I don't want influenza. Come here, let me check. Let me take a picture with my phone. A little tweak here. Your face is red already. Master, don't edit me in real time. There, perfect. Behold, Yotaro the influenza influencer, posted. Master, I'll get banned. Banned? You think being banned scares someone from Mukojima? Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this tale.